go.
Welcome to Vava Furniture. This factory where we transform the plain board to final products.
So this machine, what does it do basically?
We call it taping machine. This one that make tape in the edges to not make it rough or sharp. This one for the center pool, for the bed.
Okay, yeah. I love how everything is done with utmost precision.
This Vava one, okay, this is the panel factory where we take the panel raw material like the board, plain board, and we transform it to final product like this dining sideboard, like office table. Now we are in factory 2, Vava factory 2. This one is for sofa. Here when we dress the sofa, that is your sofa from inside.
From inside, but you
From
don't
inside.
get to see it, yeah.
From
This
inside.
is what it should look like when it's done.
Yeah. This one is done.
Finish.
We done it finished now. You can
Neat.
see it.
Love it. I like this.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. Love it.
Yeah.
The leather is
You can see the finish. Where we store and
The
pack
finish.
everything, every finished product from those two factories, we pack them and store them there.
yeah.